When the weather in the DMV takes a turn, whether it's a sweltering summer afternoon in DC, a chilly Maryland morning, or a brisk Virginia evening, you need comfort you can count on. That's where Quick Service HVAC comes in. We're your neighborhood heating and cooling experts, dedicated to keeping homes and businesses running smoothly, no matter the season. Our team is committed to providing reliable, efficient, and timely service so that you can focus on what truly matters. From routine maintenance to emergency repairs, we've got you covered. Our experienced professionals use the latest technology to diagnose and resolve issues quickly, ensuring your environment remains just right. Trust Quick Service HVAC to deliver peace of mind with every service call. So the next time the weather shifts unexpectedly, remember that we're here to keep your comfort consistent all year round. Choose Quick Service HVAC, where quality meets convenience, and make your home a haven regardless of the forecast. Call us today to schedule your service appointment and experience the Quick Service difference.